Girl talk.
So they over here trying to make me stay up, and I'm over here trying to go to sleep. She over here is like, hey, let's make a video. I'm like, wait, what?
She's a buzzkill.
Somebody go.
Zachary is a buzzkill.
And she is. He said, Nick, what you doing here?
It's all on the ground looking at me and stuff.
Look at her. What you looking at? What you looking at? Zachary.
Look up.
Cheese.
The girl said cheese.
Let's do the ratchet girl now.
She the one that gotta play the music.
Yeah, you gotta play the music. Right there.
Hold on. Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
What up, what up? It's your boy Emmanuel and
Get up!
follow me on Twitter at _coach.
You always do that. So how to watch me.
Today, this
There you
video
are. Sit up!
Shut up. Oh my god. I got it.
Oh my god.
Y'all can see both of y'all self.
Oh my god. Who the heck come in the house looking like that? What is wrong with her? OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her legs front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm finna save this up for a picture.
She ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter.
She ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet. What you wanna move and stuff?
Ooh, I
Didn't I
put a
see
punch
you?
in her face.
She ratchet.
I can't stand her. Zachary, get up! Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Girl with a baby boy. And it came with a sister.
What happened? Oh, it ain't gonna play no more. It's dead. Hold on. I got y'all. Hold that. Oh my god.
Save that. Zachary, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the club. No shoes. Where's up?